Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids channel.
Hi friends, welcome back to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. In this video, I'll show you how to draw and color Peppa Pig and her family in the rain. Let's start drawing. First, I'll draw Daddy Pig starting with his nose and the shape of his face. Next, I'll draw his 2 ears and 2 eyes. He's wearing glasses, of course. Then, I'll add his mouth and his little beard like this. Daddy Pig looks a bit uncomfortable. He's thinking, why is it suddenly raining? Now, I'll draw his body and his 2 hands just like this. And then his legs, he's wearing boots, ready for the rain. Next to Daddy Pig, I'll draw Mummy Pig. I start with her nose, then draw her face, her ears, and her cute eyes. I'll add her smiling mouth and her cheek. She's saying, run, run, it's raining. Now I draw Mummy Pig's body and her legs with rain boots. Time for George Pig. He's a tiny piglet with a cute little nose. I'll draw his face and ears next, then his 2 eyes and his mouth. I'll finish up by drawing his body. George says, I don't like the rain. I can't play outside when it rains. Finally, I'll draw Peppa Pig. I begin with her nose and face, then add her 2 ears and big, bright eyes. Let's add her happy mouth, then I'll draw her body just like this. Hey friends, take a closer look. Peppa and her family are all wearing boots. It looks like they were jumping up and down in muddy puddles when it started to rain. But that's okay. After the rain, there will be even more puddles to splash in. So fun! Now I'll trace the whole drawing with a black marker to make it stand out more. Let's start coloring. First, I'll use dark blue to draw the raindrops. Then I'll use sky blue watercolor to color Daddy Pig's outfit. Green for his boots. Next, I'll color Mummy Pig's dress orange. Her boots will be dark blue. George's outfit will be the same dark blue. I'll use red for George's boots and for Peppa's dress. Peppa's boots will be bright yellow. Now I'll use a light pink watercolor to color their skin. Then green for the leaves around them. And gray for the clouds in the sky. A touch of yellow here may be from a hidden sunbeam. Because it's raining, the sky looks a little dark and cloudy. job, everyone! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more fun drawings. See you next time. Goodbye.